All right, guys, welcome back to another episode with me today. Look, I wanted to do something, as you saw in the title, I'm giving it to you. It's that time of year where I usually do a sale. This particular year, man, I'm feeling very, very generous and I want to be a blessing to somebody. I've done this before, but not of this particular scale or this particular magnitude. So I'm not necessarily doing a sale per se, but you want to hang around all the way to the end because this is going to be really, really good for some of you. And check it out, ain't no catch to it. It's like I'm not trying to do this and trying to take something else from you. I genuinely create things on my website because I want to help the base community. Yeah, it is a business. Let's not get that twisted. It is a business, and I do create products, but I genuinely want to help you to progress on base. And so this is something that I'm doing. I've never done this before, but I feel like the time is now. The time is right. So what I'm doing right now, many of you guys might have been around when I did the name your price before, but this is not necessarily name your price this time around. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch my screen and go to my website and just kind of walk you guys through it because I don't want this video to be super long, but I do want you to know what to do when you get off of this video so you can benefit from what I am giving to you. And this is my Christmas gift, or if we want to call it that, this is my gift rather to you, to the base community for rocking with me all of these years. And just because I want to be a blessing to someone. Now, I was going to do something this way. I was going to just do a link and just let you guys access it. But if I did it that way, I wouldn't be able to give you access to everything I want to give you access to for those of you who want to take advantage of this. So what I'm doing instead is here's what you're going to do. Let's switch the screen. I'm going to go to my website here. All right. So you're going to go to my website, JermaineMorgan.net, and it's going to bring you to this. And what you do, you want to go to my shop, and you can simply click on the merch tab, and it can say my shop right here. You click on that, it takes you right down to this page right here. And so when you see, you just scroll down. All right. And so what you're going to see is a whole bunch of stuff that I have on my website. And there are like 6 pages of stuff that you can go through. I'm not going to go through all 6 of these, but I will go through a few. As you can see, here is the newest product that I've released, which is the Hymns and Spiritual Songs Volume 2. Now, here's what I want you to see. This is the special that I'm doing. I'm going to do this right here. I'm going to click on this. When you see this actual price, I'm going to click on this, and there's a name your price option right here. So you see this is normally $24.99. Well, you can now go in here, and if you want to pay $0, you can add this to your cart for $0. And so I'm basically doing this, and switch back out of this. I'm basically doing this for not every single one of my products on my website, but all of my bass jams, which includes the hymns. I'm doing it for the hymns too, in just the bass jam, not the instructional, but all the rest of them, like the hymns 1, you can do that with the bass jam. You can do it with the instructional straight gospel 1 and 2, which gives you, that gospel feel, learning how to play the gospel choir music and that kind of stuff. You can do that. Name your price for the instructional or the bass jam. You can do it for the gospel quartet, from the instructional or the bass jam. You can do it for, I'm trying to remember all of them. You can do it for the, also, let me go here and see if I can go through these because I want to make sure that you can see them. I'm going to switch back to this here. You can see a lot of stuff on the site. And basically, here's the thing. Anything that you see with the actual price right beside it, like right there. Now, we'll tell you now, because this is a bundle, there's a price cap on the bundles. But you can name your price, but there is a price cap on that. And so let's see what else we have here. Actual price, you have the bundle right here. There's another bundle right here that you can do it. And there's Hymns and Spiritual Songs Volume 1. And again, with the name your price, you can go from 0 all the way up to whatever you want to do. But again, I don't want to make it feel like I'm misleading. You can actually access this for $0. It's not every single product, but anything that's a bass jam, like the It's not, I don't think, what is it? Congregational songs, you can do it for that. So anything that has actual price on there, you can go in there. So you just go through the site, flip through the pages on the shop, and you can access these different things. If I can click on it, you can access these different products that we have available, and anything that has the actual price on it, you can go in there. This is the also base right there, same thing right there. So if you wanted to do, hey, I don't want to pay anything but $5, or if you say I want to do $0, you can put that in there, and it's yours, no catch. So when you get ready to check out, you can see right there what's in the cart, and you can check out for $0. So again, no gimmicks, nothing like that. I want it to be a blessing to those of you who wanted to take advantage of this. This will run now. Today is December 20th. If you're watching this video, all the way to the end of the year, that I will make this available to you guys that want to access these things. And it's my gift to you. Yes, you see the price right on the actual courses. I charge what I charge for these particular courses, but because I want to be a blessing to you guys. I would have loved to be able to give bases and all that kind of stuff. I'm not balling like that, not yet. So this is your one chance to take advantage of this. And many people have already purchased these things. So these aren't things that I give away, and this won't last. But while this is going on, I encourage you to take advantage of this. Again, I want to be a blessing to you. We're in a time where we're seeing, for a lot of people, they're feeling the pressure of, an somewhat unstable climate as it pertains to finances. And some of you have been looking for an opportunity to learn. Now, I will request, if you are somebody that does take advantage of this, don't complain about it. You know what I'm saying? You got access to this material basically for free. I've done this, and I've done the name your price, and I think I put a cap on something for maybe a $600 and some product, and I did a name your price, and I put a cap on it before, and people literally complained about a cap being on it. But this is no cap on the actual base jams. Now, if you're looking at a bundle, there is a cap. I want to make sure I make that clear. There is a cap, a price cap on the actual bundles. If you decide to go and get the base bundles, there is a price cap on that. But in terms of individual base jams and some of the other instructionals, there is no price cap. So if you don't have it right now, I totally understand it, but you still want to take advantage of this. I'm not gonna feel no type of way if you want to take advantage of this. This is what I'm doing it for, to serve you, to serve the base community. So do me a favor, if you can, share this video with as many people as you can. I usually don't ask for you guys to do this, but for the limited time that I'm running this, I don't want to fight with the algorithm to get this information out to people who want to learn gospel music, who want to learn how to play gospel bass. And I've done it. I didn't skip corners and all this type of stuff. I teach by the number system with these instructionals, how to follow along with what I'm doing, and walk you through step by step on how to do this. So help me get the word out. Let people know that this is what I am doing. For anybody that's in the bass community that wants to learn this stuff, I'm making it available to you, these jam packs. And side note, if you're somebody who's trying to post more content, but you're not comfortable pressing that record button on camera, just do it. I had a conversation with somebody just the other day, like, how do you get comfortable with recording? Just press record. Literally, I know it's a simple answer, but just press record and keep doing it over and over and over and over again. And so if you're going to download these jam packs, that's a great way to do it. Start playing to these jam packs and just posting them. Like, if you're not comfortable with doing a really known cover right now, play to these jam packs, post them, and just do me a favor and let people know where you got it from. If it's one of my gospel quartet or straight gospel or any of that stuff that you're playing to, that you're jamming out to, you're not going to be flagged by YouTube for posting this content. And so you can still earn money from your own post on YouTube. If your channel is eligible for earning money, that is, you have the opportunity to earn money by posting this free stuff that you get on your actual page. And just post content. Get comfortable with getting on camera, putting it up there, putting it out there, and letting people hear what you do. I've been at this for a long time, y'all. Like I've been on YouTube for a long time. I've been posting and doing this stuff, and I can honestly tell you, you get comfortable with being on camera by being on camera over and over and over again. So if you want to post, here's content that you can play to. It's already produced music, and the sheet music and tab comes with these jam packs. So my bass take comes, you get 2 MP3s per song. So my bass take of what I'm playing, you can hear what I'm playing, and then you get the one without, my bass take, of course, so you can jam out and do whatever you want to do with it. And if you're somebody that reads music and you just want to rock out and you're a great sight reader, that's great. You know what I'm saying? If you read tab, I don't read tab, but if that's something you do, it's there. It's available for you to read tab. And, again, in the instructions, I teach you by the number system. So there's really no excuse, And so this is your opportunity to take advantage of this. If you've been waiting for the opportunity, money's been tight. Like, bro, Jermaine, I want to buy something off your site. I just don't have it. Look, I want you to have access to this. As many, if it's 1,000 of y'all, I want all 1,000 of y'all to go get it. You know what I'm saying? And some people may be like, man, bro, you giving away a lot of stuff. It's more blessed to give than to receive. Now, I can't give all the time. So let's be clear. But for a limited time, I want to be a blessing to you all who want to take advantage of this. So help me out by letting people know and go get something. Now, I put the name your price option there because I have done this in the past, and I have people who are in a position that they want to give something. Maybe it wasn't in their budget to give as much as I'm charging for these particular things, but they do want to give something. So that name your price option, if you're a person that I don't like to just take stuff from people and you want to give something, that name your price option is there for you as well. So I get it. There are people who they would prefer to pay for stuff, especially when they know it's worth quality. I mean, they know it's quality and it's worth paying for, and you don't feel right just taking something without giving. Well, that name your price option gives you the opportunity to do that at your own discretion, again, for a limited time. So take advantage of that, guys. I don't want to beat a dead horse with this. I did want to make sure that I made this available to you as my gift to you as the base community. There are a lot of you guys that are subscribed to me right now, so I hope and pray that this video gets out to you and you see it. And I just want to give this to you, and I pray that it's a blessing to you in this season. And that's it. I didn't want to be on here all day. Sorry, I'm not playing today, but I wanted to do this video and let you know over this holiday season you can take advantage of this. And I will see y'all on the next one. I'm out of here. Peace.